All right, guys. First day with the Hero 9 on the bike. Gonna go head out and do what I think is gonna be the beginning of an idea that I have of just doing all of the connector trails on Peavine. So they're all kind of the lower ones, getting you from one section to the other section. But I saw the beginning of the, what is it? Evans Canyon to Keystone area. So I'm gonna go do that today, and we're gonna get after it. So, and I'm also checking out the Hero 9 with the Hypersmooth 3 boost. So let's get after it. Yo!
Well, looks like they put the N back the way it should have been. I saw something about it on the news, but apparently no one had any idea. So still a mystery. Rancho connector. Let's do this. Yeah, so you can see straight ahead, our N is now fully back to its former glory, as you would. Also, today's the first day. I think it was like, it didn't get above 60 this fall. It was really cold in my backyard, so put on the long sleeve. And right now in the sun, it is real warm, which I'm not really complaining because being warm is way better than being cold. trying to keep aware of my own endurance levels, because the fun downhill with those few switchbacks is gonna have to be all uphill on the way back, and then also the uphill back to my house. So I think we might do this, what is it, Las Brisas connector, and then we'll head home, and eventually, not sure it's gonna be this year or next, is try and do a full loop from here, the Las Brisas connector, the extended Las Brisas connector, and then I want to say it's like the Sierra Vista connector that they're doing. I supposedly just finished, so kind of a connector cross country, I guess. What's up, pup? Kings Road Trail. Oh God. My front fork needs a tune-up like a mother. Let's fucking see where we're at. Fuck it. This used to be my kind of morning workout, so when I was working a little bit later in the mornings, I could come down here and I think it was about half hour there and back before they built the new connector section. And yeah, I used to rip it in the morning, so it only took me about like 15-20 minutes to get out here, half an hour rip, and then 15-20 minutes back. So about an hour before I did be either getting ready for work or working from home, I could come out here and rip it. But been on a bit of an earlier schedule lately, so it's no more morning trails. It's all afternoon. So yeah, now I'm glad I wore the long sleeve. Wind picked up, and if you're on the backside of any of these shaded areas, temperature drops like at least 5-10 degrees. someone playing about Reno, these spots, I don't like to just dump rocks, but they're everywhere up here. So, thanks to definitely not a sanctioned trail, but I don't really feel like biking up the road, so going kid style shortcut to the construction site. Oh god, that is soft. Holy shit. We'll get some wind tests on this because some of the downhills with the actual wind as well. So haven't gotten out to compare the 8 versus the 9 in terms of wind. So I'll do that pretty soon here because people seem to like that one. So I always have a hard time remembering, but I'm pretty sure that's at so it's pedestrians or walkers have the right of way above uphillers and then downhillers. So downhillers have to give way for people going uphill, and then uphillers should give way for anybody walking. I always find it easier when I'm going uphill to let the downhiller go, just because they can keep their momentum, and a lot of time it gives me a quick little respite, catch my breath, and regroup. So how we going? There's no reason to be me out here. We're all out here, get some exercise and have fun riding bikes. See, I don't mind this. This is actually pretty chill. An actual trail built in and crisscrossing the Jeep trail, like kind of off-roading trail that was here originally. They just did this on the what is it, King Crow connector? Be chilling. Tip for everything is looking further ahead, so you know what is coming up. When you look straight down, you lose track and you'll end up in places that you don't want to be. So I catch myself looking down, especially in these rocky bits, trying to pick a line as I'm coming up to it, especially on these ones that I haven't seen before. But I gotta remind myself to look ahead a bit, so if I can brake early, just someone's coming. Thank you. Fork literally feels like it's a solid fork. Like nothing's there. That's great. Can't be coughing like that during COVID.